In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon to your page in Notion. This is a helpful way to visually distinguish your pages, making them easier to find and more aesthetically pleasing. Plus, icons can add a touch of personality to your workspace, whether you're organizing your notes, planning a project, or simply tidying up your Notion dashboard. Let's dive right into the process. First, navigate to the page in Notion where you'd like to add your new icon. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the page, right next to the page title. Notice how, when you hover over the title area, a variety of options become visible. This is Notion's helpful way of providing tools exactly when and where you need them without cluttering up your view all the time. Now, among these options, you should see one labeled Add Icon. It's positioned quite prominently, so it should catch your eye without much effort. Click on Add Icon, and you'll immediately be presented with a wide range of icons to choose from. This library of icons includes everything from simple shapes and symbols to more specific images that can relate to the type of content you're dealing with. Take your time to explore these options and find something that speaks to you and fits the theme or purpose of your page. Whether it's a light bulb for ideas, a check mark for tasks, or anything else you fancy, choosing an icon is part of the creative process that makes Notion such a versatile tool. Once you've found the perfect icon, simply click on it, and voila. Just like that, the icon is automatically added to your page. It's a straightforward process, but this small adjustment can make a big difference in how you navigate and visualize your Notion pages. Now, if you look over to the left sidebar of Notion, you'll notice that your page now sports its newly assigned icon. It might seem like a minor detail, but having an icon there makes it significantly easier for your brain to identify and locate the page at a glance, especially if you have many pages or a busy sidebar. And there you have it. You've successfully added an icon to your Notion page, enhancing both its look and its functionality. This is a great habit to get into, particularly if you're juggling multiple projects and want to keep everything as organized and accessible as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you customize and personalize your Notion workspace even more. Remember to keep exploring all the features Notion offers to find what works best for you. Happy Notioning, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.